When you're going through a divorce, the first thing that you think about is, should I hire a lawyer? And oftentimes people equate lawyers with too expensive, too big of a fight, tension between the spouses. That's not what most lawyers are about. You know, a lot of people are very nervous and apprehensive about going to a lawyer, and I often get asked, is a lawyer necessary? Well, I think some of the things that a lawyer can help you with are, they keep you from missing things. They help you identify assets. You know, one of the worst things to find is that you've missed a retirement plan. You went through, if you didn't have a lawyer, you didn't consider the value of your partner's pension. Or with kids. You know, kids are the most important thing we ever do. You're going to be dealing with those children for the next 12 or 18 years. And so it's really, really important to have a schedule and set child support. How do you collect it? When do you collect? And what do you do about insurance? And what do you do about uninsured medical expenses? What do you do about extracurricular activities? So a lot of times hiring a lawyer is not necessarily going in looking for a fight. It's looking to avoid problems. What we try to do is problem solve and solve problems before they occur.